Hey guys, it's me Laura from LB Slime Shop, and today I'm back with another video, and today I will be teaching you how to make crunchy slime. So let's see what we need. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is your bowl and your glue. So now let's just put them in. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and add in some glue. Don't add too much because when you add the foam beads, it's going to make it a lot more bigger. So sometimes I like to add in my foam beads now so that when I activate it, it sticks in. I do tend to add some after. You guys see that? Okay. See that? Add a bit more. Okay. Now we're gonna activate. Just gonna grab the activator and go ahead and pour it in. Let me just do this good. Now I'm gonna mix it in and I'll. Okay guys, you can see it's nearly done. It is done. Okay, if you're in this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like this video. Until then, see you in the next video.